Today on the movie Monologue, we explore Lady Bird, directed by Greta Gerwig, starring Saoirse Ronan and Laurie Metcalf, a tender coming-of-age drama. The film follows Christine Lady Bird through high school, family friction, and a longing for independence, spoiler-free. Ronan delivers a piercing, funny performance, the direction favors intimate moments, and the dialogue and visuals sharpen the film's themes. A few subplots seem light and some scenes linger, but these keep the film's heartfelt rhythm intact. Overall, it's a quietly resonant achievement for fans of character studies. I highly recommend it and invite your thoughts below.